Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate your YouTube Shorts income. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is just to understand how the YouTube monetization sharing works in YouTube. So as you can see, this is the hierarchy of your YouTube Shorts monetization. So the first thing is the whole revenue, and after that, it will be shared uh, a number of or an amount of the pool would be uh, given to the creators or for the clips. So as you can see, this is an hypothetical example. Let's suppose that there is 100 million total shorts views in a country, and the shorts or have earned this $100,000. So basically, 20% of these shorts use one music tracks. So basically, a part of this pool would go to the creator of the music in the cost of licensing. Then the shorts is viewed 1 million times, so you are allocated 1% of the creator pool, which is this creator pool. And after that, you will be given your pool, and then the 45% revenue share is then applied to your allocation, and you will earn this amount. So basically, this is the sharing system of the revenue in YouTube Shorts. So basically, there are tools that would allow you to calculate this share. So you can go for you can just type calculate YouTube Shorts income, and then you will find such as this website, and or you can check this one. So basically, you just give it your daily views, and here it will give you the estimation of your daily earnings, monthly earnings, or estimated yearly projection. So basically, just go to your analytics and give the content and go to shorts and see your uh, daily views and just add them here and you will find your estimation revenue. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.